You didn't record. Now you're recording. Rufus, what you doing? Is he coming in? Yeah? Does he got a shovel? Does he got a shovel? Does he got a shovel? What are you doing? Are you being so silly? Oh, it's a shovel. Cool it. It's like, I don't like shovels. I will save you from the shovel monster. Are you going to save Dad from the shovel monster? He really doesn't like it. Alright, put the shovel outside. He's going to get rid of it. He vanquished the shovel monster. Ah!
Good boy.
Why don't you throw some snowballs for him? We'll see him jumping. Come here, Roo. Roo, what's
Hey.
Dad got?
Rufus, hey.
Roo, what's Daddy got?
He finds it, that's the thing.
He does. He always finds them. I don't know how he knows which ones are which.
Hey.
What you doing, Rufus? Did you get the snowball? Oh, Dad gotcha. He'll try to brush his face off when he comes back over. He's gonna freeze. Oh, he gotcha! Oh, he got you again. Say stop. I'm trying to nip. Dave, I think he's trying to go potty. He's doing something. What are you nipping?
Can't go poop again, can you?
Might. He's been running around a lot. Roo, what you doing?
Yeah, well, that was a blizzard.
Alright, hey, let's not eat all the snow. Let's save some for the other puppies. They want to eat stuff too. Where are you going? Oh, is that right in the kisser? Hi, how are you doing? You having fun? It's like, snow is the coolest thing ever. He always finds the right snowball, and that's the one he eats. I don't know if it's because it smells like Dave and somehow he can pick that up or what, but... Are you having fun? How you doing? Go get him! Go get him! Yeah, you having fun. Why don't you dig snow at him like you do with the water? Dig snow at Daddy. He's like, I'm gonna eat his gloves. You having so much fun? Is Rufus having so much fun? He will literally be out here as long as we let him. He thinks this is the coolest stuff in the world.